Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you misplace the remote or it has stopped working, you may be wondering whether it's still possible to reset your LG air conditioner. The good news is that many LG air conditioner models can be refreshed without relying on the remote control. Temporary glitches, power interruptions, or unresponsive settings can sometimes affect the unit, but a simple reset often helps restore normal operation. Fortunately, you don't need any specialized tools to perform the process. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help you reset your LG air conditioner without using the remote. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the LG air conditioner using the power button on the unit. Step 2. Disconnect the LG air conditioner from the electrical outlet or breaker. Step 3. Leave the LG air conditioner without power for several minutes. Step 4. Restore power to the LG air conditioner after the waiting period. Step 5. Use the manual power button on the LG air conditioner to switch it back on. Step 6. Confirm that the LG air conditioner is operating normally after the reset.